Welcome to Suchok Medicos. Today we are gonna talk about biceps brachii muscle. As you can see, this is biceps brachii muscle. So in origin you can watch there is two head, one is long head and one is short head. This head travels more, so this is long head, and this head travel less, so this is short head. So short head is originate, as you can see there is the origin of short head, and this is coracoid process of scapula. So origin of short head of biceps brachii muscles is coracoid process of scapula, and origin of long head of biceps brachii from there, this is supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. So this is the origin, and we are gonna talk about the insertion. As you can see, this is radial tuberosity of radial bone. This is radial bone and this is the radial tuberosity. So insertion is radial tuberosity. Now let's gonna talk about the innervation. So C5 and C6 origin, the nerve is musculocutaneous nerve. The origin is from C5 and C6, and blood supply is from brachial artery. And we know what is brachial artery. This is extension of axillary artery, and what is axillary artery? This is extension of subclavian artery. And the action, as you can see, it travels two joint, it crosses two joint. One is shoulder joint and another is here is elbow joint. So if a muscle cross two joint, then its effect we can see in two joint. So if we talk first in the shoulder joint, so let's imagine if the muscle contract, then what will happen in this joint? The muscle is anterior to the joint, so the joint will be flexion. So if you imagine, if this muscle short contract, then what will be happen? Then the shoulder joint will be flexed. So flexion of the arm at the shoulder joint. And let's talk about the elbow joint. So as you can see, let's imagine if this portion of the muscle becomes short, then what will happen? Flexion will be happen and supination of the forearm at the elbow joint. So this is overall of biceps brachii muscle. Please share and subscribe for more medical knowledge.